Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sasa Stitch channel. Today we are making the cutest little crochet star coaster. This is a lovely and easy project that's perfect for everyone, especially if you are a beginner. We only use single crochet only today, so please prepare your crochet hook. Today I use a 5mm scissor and your favorite color yarn. Today I use the light blue color. So let us crochet together. Okay, we will start with magic ring. To make a magic ring, you create the circle like this. Wrap from here, then take one stitch from down. Make one change. So we finish magic ring. Go up 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Make one single crochet inside the magic ring. So we have the first one. Repeat it. 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and one single crochet inside the ring. We have 2. Repeat again. 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, one single crochet inside the ring. We have 3. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3 chain, one single crochet inside the ring. We have 4, and the last one. 1, 2, 3 chain and one single crochet. After we finish 5, we close our magic ring very tight. Yes. So we finish with round 1. We make one slip stitch in the first stitch here to finish one slip stitch. In the next one, we will make one slip stitch inside here, inside the hole here, one slip stitch. Then one chain, one single crochet inside the circle. Then we go up 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 chains, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1 and 2. So we finish one hole here, one petal. In the next hole, we will repeat 2 single crochet, 3 chain, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And we repeat in the next time. 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain, 2, 3, 2 single crochet in the same place, 1 and 2. We repeat the next 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 chain, 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 chain, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And now we mix one slip stitch in the first of pentel here. Make one slip stitch. So we finish row 2. Row 3, we start with 1 chain and 2 single crochet from the first one. 1, 2, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. From here we will make one single crochet, one skip, and one single crochet here. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, skip 1 and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch here. We finish 1 petal. The next we repeat the same, 2 single crochet, 1 2 1 2 3 chain, 2 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 2. Then we repeat 1 single crochet in the next stitch, skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 single crochet, 1 2 1 2 3 chain and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Just repeat 1 single crochet in the next stitch, skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then we repeat 2 single crochet, 3 chain, 3 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, skip 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then the last one 2 single crochet, 1 2 3 chain, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and now we will make 1 slip stitch here in this to finish row 3. In row 4 we start with 1 chain, skip 1 and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then we repeat the first petal, not petal, the wing because the star we call it wing, 2 single crochet, 1 2 3 chain, 2 single crochet. Now we will see, we will make like this, 2 single crochet, skip 1 here and 2 single crochet here. We start 2 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, and we skip 1, we make single crochet in the next stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. So we finish 1 wing. The next we repeat this, 2 single crochet, 1 2 3 chain, 2 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the next, skip 1 and next stitch 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet. In the third wing, 2 single crochet, 1 2 3 chain, 2 single crochet in the same stitch, next stitch 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, skip 1 and next stitch 1 single crochet, the next 1 single crochet, and in the next wing 2 single crochet, 1 2 3 chain, 2 single crochet in the same stitch, next 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, skip 1 and make single crochet in the next stitch and 1 more single crochet in the next stitch. And this is the last wing, 2 single crochet, 1 2 1 2 3 chain and 2 single crochet in the same stitch, then we make 2 single crochet to finish, and here is the one we make the slip stitch to finish row 4. And this is row 5 and the last row. In this we will start with 1 chain, here 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and in last row we will make inside the hole here 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet in the same stitch. Then now we will make 1, 2, 3, skip 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, skip 1 and continue, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. We finish one wing and repeat with the second wing. Put inside here 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. Then skip 1 in the next, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. The next wing 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, skip 1, next stitch 1 single crochet, next 1 single crochet and 3 single crochet. Repeat the next wing, 5 single crochet inside here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, skip 1 in the next, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. And this is the last wing, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, and we make last 3 single crochet down here, 1, 2, 3, and we skip 1 here and make 1 slip stitch here, and we use a scissors fasten off the work. We take it out, then we make the knot in the same stitch so it will be more tight. And now we should hide the yarn from here and here. I use a hook to hide the yarn. And this one too. And here we are. We just complete a very cute star coaster. It's very easy and quickly, is it right? I really hope this tutorial help you to make your own star coaster. I hope this coaster will light up your coffee table, or it will become the special gift for your loved one. I'm really thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, I hope that you will success with this beautiful coaster. And if this video helpful for you, and have fun for your business, or you just enjoy the time to crochet together with me, please give me one subscribe my small channel, like my video, share my video if you can. This will be my it means a lot to me to help me grow up my channel and my small business. And people ask me, did I sell my product? Yes, I sell my product in Egypt. If you are in Egypt now and watch my video and you don't have time to crochet but you love it, so don't hesitate to contact me and make the order. Thank you so much again, and I wish you have a very beautiful day. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.